Hey guys, Chris Appleton here, celebrity hairstylist. Now the number one question I get asked all the time on Instagram is, does shampoo really make a difference to your hair? Now my answer is absolutely yes. The reason why is because shampoo is the starting point for the whole process of creating that mirror-like glass hair. So we can start by cleansing the hair, removing silicones and anything that's going to build up in the hair and dull the hair or weigh it down, because that's the most important part of the process for that shiny glass-like finish. So now we've got it from the shampoo all the way through to the styling products. I'm so excited and happy that we have this dream family so you guys can get that glass-like hair that you know and love.